All right, guys. Recognize it? We're got it all put together. Let's see if it'll light off. Got to do the break-in. All right. Let's see if she'll fire. Power. All right, give it a rest. All right, let's try it again. Come on, girl. Hang on. Let's go the other way a little bit. All right. Now try it. Hang on. Hit it. It's getting there. Not getting any fuel yet. Try it again. Why are we not getting fuel? All right, try it.
No, we haven't got fuel in it yet?
We haven't got any fuel yet. Almost. Yep. All right. Yeah. Yeah. No fuel yet, but she's alive. So oil light out? Generator light out?
Generator light still on. Faucet on. Oil light on.
Okay. There you go. She's running. All right, go ahead and shut it off. Yeah. Sounds good too. Well, guys, did you ever doubt me?
Fuel now.
I know. Let's be back in a moment. I gotta figure out why it's not getting fuel. I'll bring you back. All right, guys. There was some stuff in the gas tank that was clogging it up. You gotta figure it out. Let's do the break-in, and then Send her down the road, huh? All right, go ahead. Let's hit it.
Start.
Start. Guys can hear me, but you're doing good. All right, we'll let idle for a minute and we'll shut it off. Sounds good. All right, guys. Let her rip. Oh yeah, forgot it's not the four-wheel drive type. Here she comes. All right, guys. This would be the owner of the little rat truck, a little Volkswagen rat truck here.
How you
His name's
doing?
Keith.
How you doing, guys?
I figured I'd ask him for a moment, and I put him, Johnny, on the spot in front of the camera for everybody to have a good time with here. And let's go over the history of this thing. Like, where did you find it? Where did you get it?
So we found it on Facebook about 2 years ago. Drove up northern Arizona, bought it, brought it back, put it in a couple shows, and then I actually blew the motor, the original motor. So I decided to build this 40 horse, and here we are today. So it is definitely a work of progress. A lot more work to go on it, but now it's got a heart.
Yeah, now it actually runs. You all saw that, the ticker's moving now. So what are your future plans?
We're gonna redo the body on it, do some exhaust work on it, and then just replace parts, help keep on it. We do put it in shows. In fact, I had it in a show last weekend where we won an award with it. So
right on.
Good to go.
Yeah, and I don't even know. because what is the pan on this? Do you know?
It's from a 69 Volkswagen.
69, okay.
Shortened.
Yeah, obviously shortened.
Very shortened.
This thing's got like a 6-inch wheelbase. So, and then as far as like the vehicle, what exactly about it caught your eye?
It's a one of a kind.
Oh, it's definitely
It is one of a kind, and that's what I like. So
he's got a couple other really cool cars too. He's got a Bradley and some other stuff that you guys might see one of these days if I ever get my butt down to Tucson. But he's got a few other pretty neat little cars too, and we were talking back and forth. I'm not going to do it on camera, but the next engine he wants to do, I'm probably do a 1641 and put it in that Bradley so that his wife can drive it around and have a good time and enjoy herself. And from what I understand, that one's pretty much all together already, right?
no more. I stole the pan out of that one for one of the bugs. So
Oh boy.
that's going to be a ground up restoration too.
Great, so now you need another pan.
Yes.
And then, so the reason why this all happened is he was forced to drive it one day further than he wanted to. And I think what happened, we were going back and forth because I went and listened to it run, and I'm pretty sure it starved itself of oil and it either spun a rod or something, because it's got one really nasty
Yes.
carpenter going on inside that motor. And is that the one that you want to redo?
So what we're going to do the
Okay.
1641 for.
So we may or may not have to buy a crankshaft for that.
We probably will.
But other than that, yeah, I just figured I'd put you in front of the camera and we'd talk about your car a little bit, because
Absolutely.
there were some people that were kind of intrigued about it. They didn't, and there was a lot of people that were like, "Oh, I don't know how to feel about that." And
It's fun. It gets a lot of attention while I have it out.
so. Anything else that you could think of you want to talk
No,
about?
I don't think so. It'll be back once more mods get done to it. It'll be back on the channel. So
All right, cool. Yeah, he's got to bring it back so that I can do I'm going to retorque the heads and all that stuff. We just don't have time today. We're running out of time, run out of daylight. So it runs. He can move it around and have some fun with it. And it's been fun. It's been a blast. So was this like the 9th video now, I think? I think it's
so,
9 videos.
yeah.
9 videos. So, but anyways, yeah. I appreciate you letting me work on it.
absolutely.
It's been fun.
It's been fun.
And I'm looking for the next one.
Absolutely. There's more to come.
All right, man. Well, you heard it, guys. It'll be back. You heard it run. I kept my promise, and it didn't do a crankshaft delete, so we're doing good. I might actually know what I'm doing. Anyways, thanks for stopping by. You all have a good one.
Thanks, guys.